Hi everyone, I'm Chef John Ashton and I want to share with you today our new Panini non-stick sheets. These work so well on the whirring Panini grills. They help maximize efficiency. Cleanup is a breeze. If you already use a Panini grill, you can buy a kit with just the adjustments of several screws. It will help keep the sheets in place. Use the brush to scrape any crumbs or debris into the drip tray and then wipe clean with a damp cloth. These non-stick sheets help your restaurant be more efficient, save you time and money. Who doesn't want that? Happy days.